Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make a punch using ginger ale and grape juice. Let's get started. So this next punch I'm making, it's grape juice and ginger ale, and I mix 1 part grape juice. So this is a cup, just so you'll have an idea of the measurements that I'm using. So this is a cup of grape juice, and it's actually grape concentrate. And then this is 3 cups of ginger ale. You can make this punch up to a day in advance. And just don't put any ice in it, and it'll still have a really good flavor because the ice will water it down. I'm going to serve it in one of these glasses. And you can always garnish it with fruit, or you can soak the fruit in it overnight and it'll be really good. They'll be really good the next day. And you can always add your favorite alcoholic beverage to this as well. Just add 1 part, or 1 cup if you will. And here's your garnish. So there you go. That's how you make a punch using ginger ale and grape juice.